In this video, we are going to learn how to create structures in C. For that, we need to know array first. As example, array is a data structure whose elements are all the same data type. So if you see the elements, all the data will be of same data type, but in structures it can be of different data types. So thus structure, you can mix up integer, float, character, string and so on. In structures you can also use pointers and arrays can also be included in the structure. So structure is a special data structure where you can include different data types altogether. So let's see the demo of structures in this video. I'm going to create a program for creating the user data. The user are students. The students data will be stored in the structure. So for students there will be register number, there will be age of the student, there will be name for the student. So we'll create a small structure which consists of the student name, student ID and age of the student. I'll create a new file. The first line is hash, as usual it is hash include. So after that we are going to create a structure. To create a structure, the keyword is struct. Struct will create a structure for you. There should be a name for your structure. So we'll create it as student, struct student. So it opens with the braces. So inside struct student, as I said, we have student name. So we'll create it as a pointer. Then we have student ID. Then we have student age. So we have three variables inside struct student. So student is a data structure which consists of three different variables. One is a pointer, a character pointer, then you have an integer and another one integer. You have two integers and one character pointer. So to end a structure you need to have a semicolon after your braces. So now we'll start with int main. This is our main function. Inside this int main we'll call this structure. We'll create object for the structure. So structure is already there, struct struct of student, and we'll create student1 is the object. So using this object you can call the student name. For example, stu1 dot, the first ID is name, stu underscore name. So stu underscore name is equal to, the name is Jack. So next we can store ID for the student, stu1 dot ID is equal to 1 2 3 4, stu1 dot age is equal to maybe 21. So we have created an object for the structure student and we have allocated the name, the ID and the age. Now you can print it also. The same thing you can print it. Printf of name colon and percentage yes. So since it is a string, it is percentage yes, and you can have the stu1 dot stu underscore name. Okay, next you have printf of id is equal to it's percentage d stu1 dot id. Then we have printf of age percentage d. We have this stud student1 dot age. So now we can print. So this is a simple structure. We created a structure with 3 variables inside. So we have created inside main function, we have created an object for the structure, and using that object we have used to store 3 values: Jack, the ID 1234 and the age 21, and we are printing it. So this is the simple structure, how to create it, how to create a structure, how to access it. So we'll run the result cc structure demo dot c. So there is a error, student id stu student. We'll check the error. So there is no semicolon here, so that throws an error. So semicolon. So I'll run it again. Dot slash a dot out. So now we got the Jack 1 2 3 4 and 21. So the values has been displayed. So this is how you create a structure and you access it. Thanks for watching.